This is the grade 5 curriculum guide. So, first quarter, which is the elements. So, sa elements, nabilong ang lines, shapes and colors, and space. So, sa lines, cross-hatching technique to simulate three-dimensional effects and visual texture. So, ang example anis ang light shading, then medium shading, and dark shading. For the shapes and forms, the geometric three-dimensional form, and it commonly found in textiles, architecture, and graphic design. And then sa shape is ang distance or ang area. Next is the principles. So there is na ang rhythm, repeated motifs from the word repeated. Next is the balance, the asymmetrical and symmetrical. So sa symmetrical is the same shapes, but in asymmetrical is different shapes. Next is the process. So nadiya ang drawing of archaeological artifacts. Example is the pottery, statues, jewelry, tools, weapons, and coins. Next is the drawing of Philippine houses, buildings, and churches from different historical periods. So dapat on the spot jud siya. And then sa learning competencies, the learner identifies events, practices, and culture influenced by colonizers who have come to our country by the way of trading. So included na ang Spanish colonialism, American democracy para ma-reflects the influences gikan sa colonizers and traders. Number 5, appreciates the importance of artifacts, houses, clothes, language, lifestyle, utensils, food, pottery, furniture, influenced by colonizers who have come to our country, like mga manunggol jar, balanghay, bahay na bato, kundiman, Gabaldon schools, vaudeville, o ang mga Spanish-inspired choices. Next, the number 2 gives the illusion of depth or distance to simulate a three-dimensional affected by using cross-hatching and shading techniques in drawings, like old pottery, boats, jars, musical instrument. And it gives the illusion of depth and distance to simulate a dimensional affected by the using cross-hatching and shading techniques in drawing. Number 4, realizes that our archipelago is strategically located and made as part of a vibrant trading tradition, like the Chinese, merchants, galleon, trade, and the Silk traders. So the Philippines' strategic location within Southeast Asia facilitated its participating in ancient trading networks, connect to vibrant cultural o economic exchanges with China, India, and other neighboring countries. Number 6, creates illusion of space in three-dimensional drawings of importance archaeologically artifacts seen in books museum, like the National Museum and its branches in the Philippines, and in all buildings of churches in the community. And then to create a 3D illusion in drawings of archaeological artifacts, artists use techniques like perspective, shading, texture, and overlap to convey depth and volume. Number 7, creates mural and drawings of the old houses, churches, or buildings of his or her community. So from the word community, naagyapon na collaboration and feedback, and naasad na siya mga materials needed such as a canvas, paints, markers, brushes, and so on and so forth. Then the number 8 participates in putting up a mini exhibit with labels of Philippine artifacts and houses after the whole class complete drawings. So naragyapon siya collaborative with classmates in use creative display techniques ensure label readability. The last one is number 9, tells something about his or her community as reflected on his or her artwork. So you can gain a deeper understanding of the artist community and its influence on their creative expression. So diyan na ta makatell of something nga gikan sa iyang artwork nga gihimo.
Okay, sa second quarter is first elements. Una, lines. So dire ang mga grade 5 pupils kay makatuna sila kung unsaon pag-identify ang cross-hatching technique. Kabalo na sila sa paggamit niini to simulate three-dimensional effect and visual texture. Second is shapes and forms. So, ang mga grade 5 pupils, maka-identify na sila kung unsa ang mga geometric nga shapes, like mga basic na shapes, like for example, square, triangle, and rectangle, mga inana, mga basic forms na. Yan, third is space. Diri na nga dapita ang mga grade 5 pupils, makatuna sila ma-identify na po nila kung unsa ang kanang middle ground, foreground, o background kay ang 3 kay space man maka-identify ng mga grade 5 dire kung asa dapita ang distance or area. Then sa second is principles. So ang ikaupat is rhythm. Makabalon dire ang grade 5 mga pupils is makatuna sila kung asa dapita magbalik-balik ang kay naman during nga sa 4.1 nga repeated motifs, makabalo na sila kung asa dapita magbalik-balik ang movement sa ilang mga lipang drawing nga asa dapita ba kung kurba ni siya dire or nga straight line ba ni sila dire dapita. Ang ikalima is balance. Ano makingon matag balance? Balance kay mo man ay maghatag sa drawing sa atong artworks nga nindot siya or anay siya nga pag-drawing. So ang balance din na siya duha ka buok nga pamaagi. Una, symmetrical, which is ang equal siya. Ang ikaduha is asymmetrical, kanang not equal. So mo na sila no. So ang process ani is ang mga bata ang mga grade 5 pupils kay makabalo na mo drawing na sila sa mga different archaeological artifacts like diri sa Pilipinas like churches, mga houses, mga buildings, and etc. Kay mo man sila mga historical period sa kanang mga makatunan nga magpabilid sa history nato diri sa Pilipinas. And then sa learning of competencies sa ato ang grade 5 pupils is the learners identifies the importance of natural and historical places in the community that have been designated as the World Heritage Site. Like for example, ani ang Banawi Rice Terraces in the sa Banawi Rice Terraces, the Batad Paupay Church, Miaw Church, Landscape of Batanes, Calao Caves in Cagayan, Old Houses in Vigan, Ilocos Norte, and the Turugan in Marawi. Then also, ang mga bata maka-identify na sila to describe the architectural and natural features of the places visited or seen in the pictures. Makabalo na sila kung usaon nila pag makingon sila nga kani bara ba nawi restaurants nila kay pinaagi sa ilang paglantaw mo na sila. So ang ikatulo kay ma-realize sa mga bata nga ang artist kay nagamit og mga different styles sa pag-drawing, pag-painting ba, like sa pag landscapes or portraits niya, magamit ni siya for significant pieces in their perspective provinces. Like for example, Fabian de la Rosa, mga si Fernando Morsolo, Carlos Francisco, Vicente Manansala, Jose Blanco, Coban Ivy, joke lang. Basta Victoria Edades o si Juan Aliriano, muna sila ang mga kanang ayo kay mo kanang mga different artists na sila nga mo gamit og mga different kinds of art styles mo na sila. Ikaupat kay ang mga bata mo appreciate sa mga artistry, famous Filipino artists in the painting in different landscape form, and it's able to describe what makes each artist masterpiece uniqueness from others. Mo na sila. Very good kayo. Ikalima is sketches and uses complementary colors in painting a landscape. Mo na siya ang ikalima sa mga grade 5 pupils. Dali kina sila makaton. Ang ikaunom ana nila is utilize the skills and knowledge about sa ilang mga karang na drawing like foreground, middle ground, and background. So emphasize din in painting and landscape. Ang ikapito nila is ang mga bata ma-identify sa nila and discuss details of the landscape significant to the history of the country.
Fourth quarter, we have first the elements. So the first element is color. The primary color and the secondary color. So ang mga students or pupils is maka-identify na og mga primary and secondary color. So the primary color is the yellow, red, and blue, while the secondary color is purple, green, and orange. And the next element is shape. So the shape is the geometric and the organic. So ang geometric is the basic shapes like square, rectangles, and well, the organic shape is mga nakikita mo sa mga nature like leaves, plants, and the tree is the space, the distance, and the area. So, ang mga students is maka-identify na sila og like unsa asa dapit ang foreground, middle ground, and then the background. So, for the principles, we have the repetitions of colors and shapes. So, same ra gihapon sa first nga maka-identify ang mga students sa mga geometric shapes, organic shapes, primary color, and secondary color. Then the 5 is balance. So we have 5.1 structure and shape. So ang mga pupils is maka-identify na sila mga structure and shapes. And the 3 is the process. So 6 is sculpture and 3D crafts. 6.1 mobile, 6.2 paper match or clay jar with geometric patterns, and 6.3 is paper beads, bracelets, necklace, earrings, ID lanyard, and etc. So, for the process is ang mga students is makahimo na sila og mga 3D sculpture like mga bracelets, paper match, or mga necklace nga gamit sa papel nga ilang gibuhat with nga naay structure nga geometric shape. And the next one, we have the learning competency. So the learner identifies the material, use the 3D dimensional crafts which express balance and repeated variation of shapes and colors. So as I say sa una nga, ang mga students is makahimo na sila mga three-dimensional crafts gamit ang balance, colors, and shapes nga makita ang mga geometric and organic shapes. So 1.1 is mobile, 1.2 is paper match jar, 1.3 is the paper beads. Mo na ilang mahimo sa mga grade 5 students sa 4th quarter. Ang paper beads mo na siya ang murag katugning papel siya nga gibasa og tubig, and then i-mold nimo siya, then mahimo na siya mga sample mga bracelets, inana mo na siya paper beads. So next learning competency is identify the different techniques in making three-dimensional 3D crafts. So mobile, paper mat, jar, paper beads. So same ra gihapon sa first learning competency. Next is explores possibilities on the use of 3D crafts. And fourth is applies knowledge of colors, shapes, and balance in creating mobile, paper match, jars, and beads. So, dili na sila maka-learn unsaon pag himo ang mga 3D crafts like mga earrings, like what I've said, mga paper match or mga paper beads. And next is display artistry in making mobiles and varied colors and shapes. So, ma-apply gihapon ni siya nimo while mag-make ka og mga paper beads and necklace. Next is to create design for making three-dimensional craft. 6.1 is the mobile, paper match jar, paper beads. So, ang paper match jar is katong jar nga made of papers, pero ang iyang design is with nasa makita ang mga three-dimensional crafts like three-dimensional craft siya nga mahikap siya sa usa ka bata. 7, we have show skills in making paper match. Dili na sila magpakita unsaon paghimo ang paper match nga jar. And the number 8, last one, is create paper beads with artistic design and varied colors of old magazine and colored papers for necklace, bracelet, ID lanyard. So, ang paghimo sa ato ganing paper match jar is mga old newspapers nga gibasa og tubig, then giporma ra siya og kanang jar, marsig jar mo nang himuan. Then ang himuan sa kuan sa mga colored papers is katong mga necklace, mga bracelet, and other nga masuot nimo and magamit nimo. Mo na siya ang 3D, 3-dimensional craft. Mo na siya ang mahimo sa grade 5, 4th,